Eight of Pentacles carries a very powerful message for this week.
This card appears when life is asking you to become a student again, to learn, practice, correct, and improve.
In the card, the person is not waiting for applause. He is not looking around. He is fully devoted to his work.
That is the real lesson. Success is not only about dreams. Success is about discipline.
It is about doing the small things properly, even when nobody is watching. This week, focus on your craft, your study.
Every small effort is becoming a part of your future success.
This is how you master your craft.
Your mastery is not a destination. It is the path you walk every single day.